Hello everyone, I am Manjunath from Advait Hyundai Residence Road, presenting you with ultimate SUV New Creta 2020. Today I am going to explain SX model New Creta 2020 model. It comes with signature cascade grille, trio beam LED headlamps with crash and glow LED DRLs. It comes with fog lamps and turn indicators. It comes with skid plates with garnish finish. So it comes with welcome function with auto unfold ORVMs and puddle lamps. And it comes with a 17-inch silver cut alloys with 215/60 R17. So it comes with a chrome handles with floating roof silver color. And it comes with a roof rail with silver finish. Comes with a side seal garnish silver color. So it comes with a LED tail lamps. See, it comes with a rear spoiler with defogger with the timer and spoiler. So it comes with a four sensor with a camera, and it comes with a huge boot space. $490 liters. See, let me show you inside the cabin. See, these are power window switches. See, it comes with a sporty D-cut steering wheel with 2 airbags. So it comes with engine push button start with the beige and black interior you can see, and it comes with a infotainment system 10.2 inch with Android Apple Car Mirror Link with navigation. It comes with a mobile charger, wireless mobile charger. You can keep a mobile for charging. It comes with a 2 USB port. It comes with cooled glow box. So let me show you more excited features. Panoramic sunroof. It comes with a huge leg space, and it comes with a rear AC vent for back passenger. You have a ISOFIX also, and it comes with adjustable headrest with cushioning. And see, it comes with 2 adjustable rear seat. 2 adjustable. Let me show you few useful features. You have a driver rear view monitor system, and we have a eco coating in this car. It will kill negative bacteria. We have a cluster ionizer, and we have a air purifier also. Along with you have one fantastic features called Blue Link. Let me show you.